Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information. This week we're going to talk about, I just got a new dishwasher, I'm getting ready to have it installed. Maybe it's time I think about also doing my garbage disposal. And the reason I say that is, how many of you actually know how old your garbage disposal actually is? And I guarantee it's going to go out when you're not ready. Unless your house is, let's say, 3, 4 years, 5 years old, you don't know how old your garbage disposal is unless you've had to replace it. Now, it's actually a relatively easy job. It's not real, hard, pretty self-explanatory, but it's also one of those things that when you get the new dishwasher, it's going to go in there, and you always want to make sure that it's a good fit. Okay. Now, like I said, most people don't know their garbage disposal is going bad until it's too late. At that point, you're without a sink for anywhere from 6 hours to a day or two. Also, when you put your dishwasher into it, did it come out of there? How did it go in? Did it get put back correctly? Okay, there's a little knockout on this thing for the water. There's a couple things to worry about when you're dealing with your dishwasher, but it's one of those things like, hey, if you have never done it, it may be one of those things that you do, and you probably never have to do it again. But I guarantee it's going to go out sometime, and it's always going to go out the wrong time. So, like I said, this is something to think about when your dishwasher decides to die. If you don't know how it's done, this is just a Whirlpool model. This is, 3rd horsepower. Well, this is actually 1/2 horsepower. They make multiple different sizes. You don't need to go out and get the big industrial 1 horsepower. It'll chew up everything, including your wooden spoons. Just get something small enough for what you need. But like I said, it's something to think about. As the holiday seasons come by, we're probably going to use our disposal a lot more. This is a good chance where it's probably going to go out. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back next week for some more wonderful information. Have a good day. Bye.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.